So I'm going to start this problem by splitting up the expression into its corresponding terms and again numbering the functions. So we first have 3, parentheses 4, 1, and within that we have 3, 2. We have 1, and then this big term 2, 1, 3, 4, and there's a tiny term inside 1, 3. For the functions, we first have CDR, then CAR, then CDR again, and another CDR. Now that I'm organized, I'm ready to begin the problem. For the first step, because we have CDR, it's going to grab everything in that list except for the 3 or the first term. So what we're left with is 4, 1, parentheses 3, 2, 1, and 2, parentheses 1, 3, parentheses 4. To make sure that I don't get confused, once I finish that first step, I'm going to cross off the first function. The next step is CAR. So we're going to grab the first term in that list, which is 4, 1, parentheses 3, 2. And I'm going to cross off the second function. The third step is again CDR. So we're going to grab everything except for the first term in that list, which is 4. So that means we're left with 1, parentheses 3, 2. So now I'm going to cross off the third function. And finally, the last step is again CDR. So we're going to grab everything except for the 1, which is 3, 2. 3, 2 is our final answer.